Hey, this is David C. Thanks so much for joining me. We're heading over to 871 Low Country Boulevard. Come on over to Mount Pleasant. I want to show you this 2,000 square foot suite that has an amazingly flexible floor plan. And hey, even the kitchen sink here for you, which is a great place to collaborate, to have some camaraderie. And it has 5 or 6 offices depending on how you want to break up your workspace. It has a server closet, as you can see there, in a very open collaborative area. You could set up a cubicle farm, you could have a conference table and use one of the other rooms as an office, so it just gives you a lot of great flexibility. And the thing I love about it is that it has windows in every office and then a little nook on the other side that you could even break up. So you could have more than 6 offices depending on how flexible you are. And we see square footage going down per person across the country because of the way that companies are collaborating. It really is an open plan, so it's private if you need it to be, but it's collaborative if you want it to be. So you can see right here the views right back up, quick access right up to Highway 17 across from Echo Fitness. It is just such an easy office to get to. You can come in from Low Country Boulevard, you can also come in from Highway 17. Parking is surface, it's shared parking, a lot of great parking for you to come right into the ground floor of the building. It's on the 2nd floor, but don't be intimidated because it has an elevator and it also has a very wide, easy to access staircase. This is a view of the exterior, so when you're leaving the ground level you can see it's surface parking here. There is an outside area for you to sit if you'd like to do that. And then you also see the front building. That's the way that you would go for your shared parking easement. We do have signage opportunities on the back side so people could find you, and it is a brick building over at 871 Low Country Boulevard. This is my client taking advantage of the Hustle Forever marketing system. Thank you so much. This is David C. of C Development Real Estate and Business Brokerage. Have a wonderful day.